everyone, it's Maria. How you doing? Today I'm going to give you a quick version of home economics. Our topic is nutritional yeast, or Nooch as we lovingly call it. If I could snort this stuff and swim in it, I probably would. And that's not necessarily where I would set the boundaries. Nyak nyak. There are plenty of YouTube videos out there that explain what Nooch is and any health benefits, recipes, etc. Because I use so much of it, I want to focus on providing cost savings and the best place to purchase Nooch. Many vegan and plant-based recipes include nutritional yeast, more so when you're cooking from scratch. However, Nooch can be used simply as a topping and not necessarily as part of the recipe. My favorite ways to use Nooch is on popcorn and scrambled tofu, and I'm not ashamed to say that I sprinkle it on a grilled tortilla with melted butter. What I'm going to show you first is my purchase history of Red Star's 6-pound tub that I purchased through Amazon. The tub measures approximately 9¼ inch in height and 11 inches in diameter. By the way, this is my first affiliate link with Amazon, so please click the link below and help keep my puppers and my kitty cat in kibbles. My fur babies thank you, and so do I. Anyway, there are other brands of Nooch, but Red Star and Bragg's have always been my favorite go-tos. This is not a true representation of all my purchases of the nutritional yeast and with Amazon or elsewhere. Sometimes I forget that I'm out of Nooch and I have to rush to the store ASAP, and I end up buying 3 to 4 jars at a time, which is a total waste of money. The reason that I buy so many at a time is because it's not always in stock and not easy to find where I'm located. I'm kind of like in a plant-based vegan desert. As you can see, in the 6 times I've purchased the Nooch through Amazon, it's averaged $59 for a 6-pound tub, which comes out to 61 cents per ounce for the 96 ounces in the 6-pound tub. These 2 pics of Bragg's Nooch I took today, February 19, 2020. Now, let me just say up front, I love Bragg's products, Bragg's Nooch. I'm a fan of their amino acids and their apple cider vinegar. They also have other products. But the only reason that I don't buy Bragg's is because they don't offer it in bulk packaging like Red Star. If I could find large tubs of Bragg's and it was at a competitive pricing, sure, I'd buy it. But these picks are for just cost comparison. The first pick is from my local Hy-Vee. They sell Bragg's for $6.59 for the 4.5 ounce jar. That comes out to be $1.46 per ounce. The next pick of Bragg's Nooch is at Green Acres, which is kind of like a Whole Foods. Their price for the 4.5 ounce jar of Bragg's is $6.19 or $1.38 per ounce. None of my local stores carry Red Star, or at least they didn't have it. It's either in stock, out of stock, or they just don't carry it anymore. So for comparison purposes, I have to rely on what I could find on the interwebs. So I did a little search. My searches were for Red Star produced the following. I was trying to find something in a larger quantity for a fair comparison. The first option I chose was from OpenTip.com. Frankly, I've never heard of them, but again, I just pulled that for comparison purposes. They have 6 5-ounce jars for $30.62. $30.62 divided by 6 is $5.10. $5.10 divided by 5 ounces equals $1.02 per ounce. The second option for Red Star was from Walmart, Walmart.com. Now, this started to look promising, but nope. They have a 10-pound tub of Red Star for $104.56. $104.56 divided by 160 ounces equals 65 cents per ounce. So that's very close to the 61 cents through Amazon. However, when you get to the shopping cart, they tack on an additional $5.72 in taxes, bringing it to $110.28. That makes it 69 cents per ounce. And that's in my geographical area. So wherever you're located, that might vary. It's my understanding that not every state is required to apply state taxes at this moment. I'm pretty sure a lot of states are. So wherever you're located, you may not have that applied to the shopping cart. So if you don't, then it's going to come very comparable to what I'm getting for the per ounce rate through Amazon. And here's my overall comparison. So whether or not you choose to feed my fur babies and click on that link below, if you're in the market to save money on your nutritional yeast or Nooch, you'll need to find something that is comparable or beats the 61 cents per ounce that my purchases through Amazon have averaged. Each purchase of the Nooch I made through Amazon was through a different company, but up to this point, I haven't been able to find anything or any place at a better price. Okay, people, I think I would have made my high school home economics teacher proud of me today. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and let me know if you want more videos like this. I figured it's good info, and it would definitely save you time and money, so let me do the work for you, and I'll save you some money as well. And we all like that, right? And as before, this is my first Amazon link, so keep my fur babies in kibble and hit that link down below to purchase your Nooch. And thank you for watching, and as always, be kind.